Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there are some reports of broken apps after the Patch Tuesday updates of this week. Now, of course, you could uninstall the Patch Tuesday updates, but with all the security problems that are plagued, including that 0-day, I'll give you two things that you can try to fix the broken apps. It seems that they are all related to the .NET framework that might not actually be activated, working, or as broken in some way. So the first thing you can check is to go into your control panel. So you can actually click on the search and go to control panel. Here you will go into the programs and features that you have on your computer. So programs and features, and on the left side of your screen you will see turn on or off, turn Windows features on or off. Look at the two .NET framework apps, expand, and make sure that there's a check mark in front of the Windows Communication Foundation HTTP and non-HTTP, and make sure that there's two check marks in WCF service, ASP.NET 4.8 service, and all. This might actually be the problem. So that's one thing you can do. You click OK, it might ask you to restart. The other thing you can do is to go to this page. If that doesn't work, I'll post the link to this page and just download the .NET Framework 3.5. Reinstall it. Actually, what it's going to do when you click to install it, it might actually show you, well, we're going to try to repair the install, and let it do what it has to do. And hopefully after you either did the first one or this one, your apps should be up and running again. It is really, it seems, related to the .NET Framework not working after the Patch Tuesday updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and the link to the download, if you need it, is in the description below.